Good morning, YouTube. We love recipes that contain roasted peppers, right? But have you seen how much they charge for those things in the jar? There's no need for that. We can buy the peppers and roast them at home, and it takes almost no time and very little effort. It's easy though, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, let's cook, y'all. We've got a family to feed. All right, we love roasted peppers. I mean, just kind of crazy about them. All right, if you buy these in a jar in the store, they're gonna cost about $3.4 million a piece. Not really, but it seems like that. But you can do them at home for next to nothing, right? And here's how you do it. Start that oven. All right, so we're gonna show you how to do this. I don't know who, me? I'm gonna show you how to do this two ways. First is just on the stovetop. So I've got a gas burner, right? Just turn your gas burner on and literally just put them here, just like that. And I'm gonna let them sit there, and I'm gonna turn them every once in a while with the tongs over about, I'd say 7 or 8 minutes. We're getting them nice and black and blistered all over the outside, and that's perfect. That's exactly what we want. Now, what if you don't have a gas burner? Well, it's all right, you can still do it. Okay, so I'm behind you for just a second. Oh, they're singing already. You hear them popping? Now, one thing I will tell you, that's in a closed environment. They're gonna be steaming with the steam moving to the inside and really nowhere for it to go. So don't let it like pop on you, okay? See? That's about perfect. So we just keep turning until they're black all over. Now behind you, I have cut another pepper, okay? And this one I'm laying on a baking sheet. And this is going straight into the oven under the broiler. That's gonna take about 10 minutes. All right, so that's all I'm doing for the next few minutes. Just turning everybody over, watching everything turn black. All right, here we go. Our yellow pepper is already over here. It's not 100% charred, but it's pretty daggone good. And our red pepper, same thing. See that? Blistered all over. So we're dropping these right down in a bowl. And when our yellow peppers come out of the oven in a minute, I'll throw those in here too. You simply cover them with plastic wrap. Or, if you're my kids, if you're Boone or Levi, you eat them just like they are. But you let them sit in this bowl covered with plastic wrap, and the steam, which you can already see, is steaming up. That's gonna release those skins. Okay, so we had a little bit more than 15 minutes because Brian got on the phone and he's not able to be quiet to save his life. But a little bit more than that, and it's still warm. And you can see the condensation that's built up. All of that is fine. So here are the yellow peppers that we did in the oven. And you can kind of see, we're gonna do this under the, oh, I didn't show you that. You can see that the skin will peel right off, right? That's why you do the roasting and then the steaming. The roasting will blister the skin. Where's my compost bowl? The roasting will blister the skin. The steaming will loosen it right up. So you can throw this under running water and you just give it a rub like that. And you can see the bits of skin, wait a minute, can you see? I'm upside down and backwards. The skin just kind of peels right off. Now, my kids, or at least two of them, Levi and Boone especially, my kids love bell pepper. And I tend to buy all the colors, red, yellow, green, orange, because the different colors of peppers, because we know they like them, and because peppers are naturally sweet, they appeal to kids. They don't have the bitter compounds that a lot of other vegetables have. So they're nice and sweet, but they're loaded with vitamin C. The red ones with lycopene. They're high in fiber. They are delicious. And I've always said the more colors you can get into a kid's diet, the better. This is a great way to do it. All right. So there's the red one. And I'm just going to repeat with the yellow and the orange. Okay? So, whatever you do with it, whether you eat them plain, which we do, Or if you're going to use it to make some kind of roasted bell pepper, ooh, hello, roasted bell pepper salsa, or whether you're going to do a roasted red bell pepper soup, which is something I just decided that I think I have to do right now. However you do it, it is quick, it's simple, it's easy. Don't spend the money to buy it. You can do it for yourself in just a few minutes, right? That's a winner. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.